Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. Today I'm going to talk about something that is a very simple thing, but we need to know that. Okay, that is whenever we go for an interview, the first question that interviewer asks us that, tell me about yourself. That time we started talking about ourselves, and sometimes we talk about our hometown. We talk about our culture and something that is not needed in that interview session. The motto of the question is in an interviewer of tell me about yourself is how are you different from other candidate and what will be your value addition in our company whenever you're going to join in our company, what benefit we can get from your side. So that time it's not about something that's after having the questions they are trying to understand your mental state. No, it's not like that, or how much you will be able to work. It's not like that. They are questioning this because they wanted to know about your capability of work. Okay, not in other areas. Okay, so and the second thing is this the motto of this question is to build up your confidence level, because whenever we are going to face one interview, that time when we talk about ourselves, it gives us a confidence to go through and attend the interview to make you comfortable. Sometimes interviewer ask the question. Okay, so this is the thing we need to understand. And the whenever you are going to give the answers, kindly keep it very short. Only start with that my name is, as an example, if I am talking about, as if you are fresher, at first you need to talk about your name, your qualification, and your if you have any experience, if you have done any projects, you can talk about that. It can be college projects. Okay, you can talk about that. Being an experienced candidate, you can give your introduction very short, in very short way. That is only your name, your educational qualification, whatever you have done in your previous company, that experience about. And you can talk about your job role, whatever job role was there and how you have worked in that project. Okay, and what how many projects you have worked, and the most important thing about your achievements, that is also needed. What you have achieved from that company, if you have any achievements, like you have gained any star of the month award or any kind of best employee award, you can talk about that also. That gives a mileage to the company, that in previous company whatever you have done, you have an achievement, and that achievement will be accomplished in this company also. So and after that you can give a proper brief about your job role. If for an example, if you are a technical person, you can talk about your work profile, that I have worked in the company as a software developer, and right now I am searching for another company, and I have done three projects or four projects. I have already worked with team, and right now I am interested in to change my company. That can be any reason, but don't say anything about your previous company negative things. Like maybe you have faced so many things in your company, but in that interview session, if you will say anything wrong, it will make a big impact in your present company. Because whenever you are going to work in a company, in that work environment, whatever you will get, that is your experience. It can be bad, it can be good. So but whenever you are going giving that interview in another company, and if you talk about anything negative about your previous company, that makes a bad impact. Before because after having 2 years, the interviewers can think that if after working in 2 years in our company, when you will going to change your company, you can talk that things about them also. So don't do it. Maybe or one more thing you can say, that in what was your job role, you can tell about that, and after that you can give them a proper brief that I have done HR recruitment, I have taken so many interviews, and you can give that whatever you have experienced in that interview, and what was the value addition in that company, what how you gave make that company give that company mileage and make that company grow. So only talk about your achievements. Okay, and why, if the question is why you wanted to change that company, You can say so many things that I wanted to see myself excel. Okay, I wanted to grow and I want to work in a good team environment. Okay, and whatever my previous team was good, but right now I am looking for more growth. That will be your precise answer. So these are the things you need to understand whenever you are going to give an interview, and think like a recruiter, because whenever if one candidate came down for interview to you, whatever questions you can ask them, you don't want to listen anything negative from his side, because this is the first impression. If your first impression not will be good, it can be you can't get that job. Okay, so keep yourself positive and always talk positive things. If needed, you can talk about your hobbies. That will be another thing whenever they will ask only. Okay, and how you can give more mileage to your company, apart from your job role, apart from your precise job role. If you have done anything more in your previous company, you can talk about that also. So these are the things, guys, you need to understand. And whenever you are going to give any interview, keep it in your mind that all those things you need to give properly. Mm, and the first impression is the last impression. So make it proper and be a proper professional person. So bye from today's session.